In this video we will learn how to install WordPress on your desktop. So hey guys, my name is Raman. Welcome to Kwebby digital channel, and in this video we will learn how to install very helpful application called Local. So you are going to learn so much in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click that red button to learn more and more about WordPress and its technicality, its customization and much more. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is go on the search bar, search for WordPress Local, and there is a localwp.com, and what it does is it will deploy WordPress as a software on your desktop locally. And what's awesome thing about this is you can upload these files to cloud and auto backup onto the cloud services which they provide, and on top of that it is absolutely free. So what you need is go to download for free, choose your platform. If you have a Mac, if you have a Windows, choose the Windows. Here just type out your work email and phone number if you have any. Just click on get it now, and then just start installing. Just download that. It will take a minute to download. Traditionally we use XAMPP server, and for the XAMPP server we actually need a little bit about the core functionality of like PHP admin databases, or you can see how to install the PHP to it and various version of PHP, and it involves many manual actions. So in this local WP you don't need anything about it. You can just deploy your website and start customization or start coding on the theme part or maybe on the plugin part. So the download has been finished, so open that. So it says only for me or anyone who uses the computer, just only for me I would say. So destination folder will be this. You can also change that, and I will change that to the raman, and I will change that to the documents. In the document section I will create a new folder called local WP. It's purely personal and you can do it as the way you like. Just click OK and click on install. It will take a minute or two to get installed, and now it's finished. Just click on run local, click on I agree. So if you want to turn on error reporting or something like that, you can easily do that, but I don't want to share my data to them. So let's create a free account, and for the free account it will redirect to their website. So I will use my email. That's it. Go to the application, and here let's browse it what it offers. It says looks like you haven't created any websites yet. Let's offer this. Here you can connect to a platform, like if you have a WP engine and if you want to deploy to that WP engine, you can easily do that. You can also deploy your project to the flywheel, as you say. So here's the blueprint. What are these? We will do that later. And here is the various add-ons, which is email optimizer or a table plus, cloud backups, and instant reload, and WP Engine Atlas, which is a headless CMS. And here's a xdebug plus VS Code, which is extension, and link checker, etc. You can install anything and you want. And there's a help section or the help docs you can browse. Let's start creating our WordPress blog. So just click on create a new site, and here is a create a new site from a blueprint. Start a new site with pre-installed elements like a plugin and themes. So you can just configure the blueprint and adding a custom theme or plugins, and then start creating a WordPress website. So that's the whole purpose of a blueprint. So I will just create a new site here, and just let me name a Kwebby here. There's the additional option also, like local site domain, what you want to call it. So I will call it a kwebby.local, and here it will be there. And if you browse the path, because it's actually important here, so here it will be located. Okay, so click on the continue and preferred or custom. So you can click on the preferred, and it will use the PHP this, and web server ngx is this, and you can also use the custom web server, like if you want to install an Apache not ngx, so you can choose that. You can also play around with the different PHP version, and you can also play around with the different MySQL applications. So I will use the preferred because it has everything I got. I am comfortable with ngx. If you are not comfortable with ngx, you can use the Apache server. So click on the continue, and here I will create admin and WordPress password. You can type anything. So WordPress email will be this. So if you wanted to get a multi sites, you can click on yes, or I won't be creating anything like that. So allow that access to them, so it will start creating your website. So keep allowing it. It wants certain permission. Actually, it's far better than XAMPP server, because XAMPP server eats more resources also. In my case, it may be another case for you, but I love this WordPress.local. And if you are on WP Engine, because most of my clients are on WP Engine, it's work flawlessly with WP Local, because we need to apply some SEO issues also, customize themes also. So we will just download from their servers to the WP Local, and there we will customize that and export that. If you want a detailed tutorial on this particular application, how we configure with that WP Engine, then you can request in the comment box. We will create it for you. So there it is. And now you must be wondering, where are the files of this particular website? Just go here, Kwebby, and select your site, right click on it, and here to go to sites folder, and it will open local sites folder. As you can see, it's under your username and there's a local sites. Now you can open this app, the public, and there your files are. So you can now open these folder to your code editor, like a VS Code or something like that, easily. Now you can start customizing. So hope you like this video, and if you have learned something from this video, click the like button. If you want an advanced tutorial of developing websites with the help of local and deploying it to WP Engine and something like that, then you can ask that in the comment section. So if you want to learn much more from this channel and from me, just click on the subscribe button, and if you want to share this to your colleague, then use the share button. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.